Show you how to properly set up your trolley for a lash lift service. First, I'm going to start out with the selfie ring light. This is so important for you to be able to take before and after images. Before and after images are going to sell you and your product. Next, we're going to move on to the lash cleanser. Always make sure that you have some cotton rounds next to you to make sure to thoroughly cleanse those lashes. You will then go ahead and protect the client's bottom lashes. You can use either the under eye gel patches or you can use micropore tape. You will always have your bonder to bond the shield to the skin and the lashes to the shield. You'll have 3 different sizes of shields, small, medium, and large. You'll want to have all 3 sizes so that you can test the correct size for your client. This is going to be dependent on your client's lash length. You'll have solutions 1, 2, and 3. We are a 3-step system, so the 3rd step is going to be the moisturizing serum. This is crucial to keep the lashes strong and healthy. You're going to have your tinting process, your cream developer, your tint of blue, black, or black for the lashes, your tint brush, tint mixing cup. One of our new products is a protective eye guard. This really helps you tint the bottom lashes, and that'll be a next video that we'll do. It is suggested to have a saline pod or a saline bottle in case you need to do an emergency eye rinse. We do recommend also keeping scissors on your trolley if you need to trim the eye shields. Shields are not going to be a one-size-fits-all. All of your clients will have different eye shapes and different eye sizes, so you will need to customize those lash shields. Mascara wands to comb thoroughly before and after, and then of course your PPE, having your gloves,